How to create a professional profile in Indeed. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar, type in Indeed sign up. Once done, you will see creating an Indeed account. Click onto that link. And here it will ask you to take a next step, which is continuing with your Google or your Apple. Let's go ahead and click on continue with Google. Choose the Google account that you would like to continue with and click on continue. Now at the next page, you will be asked to verify your phone number. So I recommend you enter your phone number and enter the verification code. But for today's video, I'm going to just go and click on not now. And once done, you will land onto a page like this. Here you may also see your username and your email address. Now here, let's go ahead and start with the basic. Enter your city or state, your zip code, and if you are interested in remote work, check this box and click on continue. Now at this page, let's go ahead and enter the minimum pay that you are looking for. Enter your minimum based on dollar, and if you would like to get paid per hour, click onto per hour or just per year. Make sure that you enter this per year as well if you are selecting per year here. Once done, click on to continue. And at this page, let's go ahead and enter the job that you are looking for. For instance, if you are looking for a cook job, type in cook or anything that you would like. For today's video, I'm just going to go with RN. Once done, click on continue. Now here mention if you have any of these licenses. If you have it, click onto the plus icon and click on continue. And just like so, follow all these steps. If you have any of this certification, check it and click on continue. Also be noted, this will also be extra skills for you and this will also look very good onto your Indeed profile. So make sure not to miss any of these steps. And after a while, Indeed will search some jobs for you. Now this is how you can create a professional profile in your LinkedIn. If you go onto your profile, you can upload a resume or build an Indeed resume. And just like so, you have to add your phone number and your precise location. Here you can type in the job keyword and you will be able to find them. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.